Reality check, man. From your device, you know what's the time. You know it's Aromatic Realistic TV. Anyway, peeps, tonight, I want to talk about the Prime Minister. And the Prime Minister is asking us as Jamaican. And he says that we must act responsible with information. He also says we only to use information that is verified from source that is trustworthy. We must only use information from source that is verified, that is trustworthy. So I'm going to show this clip with the Prime Minister, and then we're going to dissect it on the other side. Let's take a look.
And so we must act responsibly with information. There was this query as to why I didn't jump out with a statement immediately. Simply because I have a duty that when I speak, the information that I provide must be unassailable. And that means you have to take time to verify so that confidence can be restored. But and I ask all Jamaicans to think very carefully on these things. Let us protect our national asset. Let us protect our national asset that we have. Use only information that is verified and from sources that are trustworthy.
So yes, peeps, the Prime Minister says we must act responsible with information, right? And only use information that is verified, right? From source that is trustworthy. Nothing wrong with that. But who is trustworthy? Is it nationwide? We all know nationwide, is a mouthpiece for the Jamaica Labour Party. Nationwide, Cliff Hughes, the people in the diaspora, the people in Jamaica should boycott nationwide, because nationwide is the definition of fake news. I said nationwide is the definition of fake news. They are the mouthpiece for the Jamaica Labour Party. That's why you see anything that's pertaining to the Jamaica Labour Party and the Prime Minister of Jamaica nationwide always have a breaking news. So at them I say we forgot to trustworthy. Nationwide are fake news. You understand? But this is the question I want to ask the Prime Minister of Jamaica. In 2021, Mr. Prime Minister, you get information that S.S.L, Stocks and Security Limited of Jamaica, is about to crash. Just let me repeat again. I said in 2021, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holness, get a report that S.S.L, Stocks and Security Limited of Jamaica is about to crash. The Prime Minister go ahead and take out all his money from out that institution. No, I'm saying, Mr. Prime Minister, the people of Jamaica elect you to serve on their behalf to make sure at all time you have the best interests at hand for them. So, how would you get such critical information that you need to pass on to the people of Jamaica, and you keep that information to yourself? What are you telling us? Because this is what you said in this press conference. Only use information that is verified from source that is trustworthy. Prime Minister Andrew Holness, are you telling the Jamaican people that you was not trustworthy? That's why you did not give them the information, the S.S.L about to crash, so they must take out their money. You as the Prime Minister only protect your money and take out your money, and left the citizen of Jamaica vulnerable to this crookish, corrupt institution. We are just asking you, why, as the Prime Minister of Jamaica, you get such critical information about this institution about to crash? You take your money out, and this is from 2021, and leave the Jamaica people vulnerable for scamming? Mr. Prosperity, remember, it's you who tell the Jamaican people them about prosperity. And when you're supposed to stand up for them and protect their money with that critical information that you get in 2021, that S.S.L, Stocks and Security Limited of Jamaica, about to crash, Mr. Prime Minister, you keep that information to yourself, draw out your money, and left the people of Jamaica to be scammed by this fraud, corrupt, and crookish institution. Insider trading is a serious thing, and that's a crime. The Prime Minister of Jamaica commit a crime. Maybe a lot of people don't know this. But just let me tell you guys who don't know what is insiders trading. It's the illegal practice of trading on the stock exchange to ones whom advantage to having access to confidential information. You want me just say, the illegal practice of trading on the stock exchange to one whom have advantage to having access to confidential information. Where is the Prime Minister of Jamaica get the information from that S.S.L was about to crash so he could draw out his money? So it simply means the Prime Minister was in an insider's trading. Who give the Prime Minister the information? That's what the Jamaican people need. Who give you the information in 2021 that S.S.L was about to crash, so you need to take out your money fast and leave the Jamaican people them vulnerable? Remember, you is the Prime Minister of Jamaica. The people elect you to serve and to protect, right? To work in their favor and their behalf at all times. And you leave the people vulnerable to scamming. Mr. Prosperity. And you're saying only use information that is verified from source that is trustworthy. So what are you saying to us is that Christopher Tufton who may spend 400 million in the COVID money. Is that not information that is trustworthy? Ruel Reid, who take away almost 1 billion from the education ministry. Is that not trustworthy? We just ask the Petrojam scandal where they take with billions. Is that not trustworthy? Bobby Montague, who take away over 100 and odd million, about 3 or 4 years now, so him go buy police car. All known police car can reach and the money no return back to the Jamaican people. And why I say them news are not trustworthy? All of the news them that come out and the Jamaica Labour Party, they are trustworthy. But we know how you stay now, and we are watching, we are studying, you know. You try to deflect the things. You are try to be the defector and chief like Trump. But we are watching, and we see what you are going with. Why you come with her now? Nobody now be distracted. After your little tricks, so you go up on TV and you talk nice and you go around, go meet people and go cut ribbon and all of them things there. We now look on that because we now get distracted. Who inform you 2021 say S.S.L when goes crash, so you have to go and go take out your money? Jamaican people them want to know. Because the thing about that, you know, what we need to ask. Maybe S.S.L, you know, never have the amount of money, you know, in that institution, as they say, you know. But it is my opinion, and it's only my opinion. Me think say S.S.L when only dead, seeing for money laundering and clean up them dirty drugs money and then thieving money. Money laundering, S.S.L, Stocks and Security Limited of Jamaica. And that them when they do. Prime Minister know everything what go on in S.S.L. That's why you see him take so long to come out, come talk to the Jamaican people. That's what I mean, because his thing, you know, is that when the Jamaican people not see him, is that simple because I have a duty that when I speak, the information that I provide must be unassailable. And that means you have to take time to verify so that confidence can be restored. Now, nobody no really trusts your word, Mr. Prime Minister. But all the Jamaican people them ask. Something like this has never taken place in Jamaica. You're talking about we the diaspora abroad who have we money down there in a bank. You're talking about the local people them down there in a Jamaica also who have their money in a bank. People are worried, people are afraid. We don't need you to come out and give us the answer. So XYZ is taking place. But all we need you to come out and do is just come tell me that, all right, I know you guys see what is taking place over the media. I don't know what is going on, but law enforcement are now in charge. And as soon as the information come to my desk, I will brief the Jamaican people. Give me some time, and as the process begin, I will brief you guys. We don't want hear nothing more from you. You go come tell we now, say, you have to come. You have to come simple because you have to come and bring something on point. We don't talk about pan on point. The reason why you couldn't come, because you know that you're a part of the scheme. See, in 2021, you get the information that S.S.L is about to crash. And Mr. Prime Minister, as a Prime Minister of Jamaica, you get that information and you go and you take out the money And you didn't brief the citizen of Jamaica who put you there to work on their behalf. You didn't see it fit to address the Jamaican people and make them aware of the situation, what was going on with this institution and what about to take place. So guys, please go, and whatever you invest there, go and take your money from that institution. You left the Jamaica people vulnerable so that S.S.L could scam those people. The Prime Minister of Jamaica, I am talking. Prime Minister of Jamaica, who was involved in inside trading, illegal activity. Inside trading, the illegal practice of trading on the stock exchange to one's own advantage through having access to confidential information. It goes on and it says illegal violators can face serious penalties. That's a crime. The Prime Minister of Jamaica committed against the people of Jamaica. Mr. Prosperity. Mr. Prosperity. That's how you treat your citizen. You get critical information such as that, and you denied it from the Jamaican people. And now you are telling us that we must only use information that is verified from source that is trustworthy. Who is trustworthy? Because you get the information, Mr. Prime Minister, to pass it on to the Jamaica people, and you did not pass on that information to the Jamaican people. So it's simple telling me that you are telling us as citizens of Jamaica that you are not trustworthy. And if you are not trustworthy, you should resign and step down from the Prime Minister. You're a failed leader. You're a scammer, Mr. Prime Minister. You're scamming from the Jamaican people. I will repeat, you says that we should only use information that is verified from source that is trustworthy. And you get such information as that, and you withheld it from the Jamaican people. So in this case, you are telling us that you are not trustworthy with our information. You are not trustworthy to lead the people of Jamaica. And for those reasons, Mr. Prime Minister, if you did have shame, you would resign and step down from the post, because you is a national disgrace to the country of Jamaica. Much love. Stay tuned to Aromatic Realistic TV. Walk good and live good. Out.